For example, we have a divide function right now which takes in two parameters x and y. Right now I'm passing it 6 and 0, so this should actually throw an error, as you can see. Right now we are going to use the concept of decorators, and let's see how they work. So firstly we have to declare decorator, so we just declare it as a normal function, and then we pass in the function as the parameter. Inside this we are going to make another function called inner, and it's going to take x and y. If y is equal to 0, then we can just return an error, and if y is not equal to 0, then we can just return func and pass in x, and then at last we can just return inner. Alright, this is the basic syntax for a decorator. Now let's actually use the decorator. So we use the ampersand symbol and then the name of the decorator, and now let's try running the program, and as you can see it tells us cannot divide by 0. Do not forget to subscribe.